A lot of air fryers out there on the market, they cook everything the same way because you got one fan speed, one airflow, and one approach. And that is actually the problem because not every food should be cooked the same way. This is the Cosori TurboBlaze, and what makes this different is how it controls the airflow because instead of one fixed fan speed, it uses a DC motor which lets you adjust the airflow depending on what you're cooking, and it's also built with the PFAS free ceramic coating and a stainless steel interior, so it's designed to be safe for everyday cooking without the typical coatings that you see in a lot of air fryers. So when I started testing this, I didn't cook one thing, but I tried completely different types of food, like something crispy and something more delicate, because that's where most air fryers starts to struggle because they seem to have just a single option. Let's talk about some of the core features like the high-speed airflow, because at higher fan speeds it pushes hot air more aggressively, so things like wings or fries, they come out crispy on the outside without drying out inside. Because of that DC motor, it actually cooks faster, up to around 46% compared to traditional setups, so you're not just getting better texture, you're getting it quicker. Now, my partner is coming home soon and I want to do some dinner for her, so I'm going to do salmon and fries. She loves that, so let's go ahead and try that with my brand new air fryer. So I went ahead and got started. I got the fries ready and then I got the salmon. The only bad thing about it is that I fully forgot to add the lemon. Nonetheless, it still came out absolutely delicious, very juicy. And the next thing I wanted to try is some spring rolls because those are my favorite. Alright guys, the spring rolls are about to be done in 5 seconds. I have my spicy mayo, my plate ready to go. I want to try them out. And then let's go ahead and see how the spring rolls are looking. Let's go ahead and open. Ooh, wow, they look crispy. And cheers, hear this crunch. You also get the controlled airflow, and now that's when you switch to something like baking, that you don't want that aggressive airflow. You want control, so it lowers the fan speed, which helps avoid overcooking or cracking, and you get a softer and more even result. So if you compare this to a standard air fryer, you're gonna notice that crispy foods cook faster and more evenly. Baked foods come out more stable and consistent, and after cooking, the cleanup is very simple. The ceramic coating wipes down easily, so you're not scrubbing or dealing with the stuck residue. You also get some extra features like the 9-in-1 setup that is not just an air fryer because it covers multiple cooking styles, which makes it more versatile, and there's also a recipe book and an app which helps if you're getting started, so you're not just guessing cooking times or settings. So if you're trying to cook different types of food, you want faster results and prefer something simple but flexible, especially if you're using an air fryer occasionally and you want something that adapts instead of overcomplicate things, this is gonna be a great choice. So I think what makes this different is that it doesn't just cook the food, but you can adjust it how it cooks it, and that's the part that most people don't think about until they see the difference. The link will be in the description below if you want to grab one of these for yourself. Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and smash the like button if you enjoyed the content and subscribe to support the channel. Stay tuned for more content and I will see you on the next video.